Welcome to Bennett's Bedrooms. In this short video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this bed. It's a Relyon bed. It comes from a company called Relyon, who've been 150 years in the making. It's an unbelievable quality bed. This is the creme de la creme. It's a Relyon bed from the Peerless range. It sits at the moment on a hand side stitched, pocket sprung, side skirted base. Again, you could probably sleep on the base. Put this mattress on, you've got expert quality. You've got the top of the top. It's got 3,000 pocket springs in it. You can see again, the side of the mattress is completely hand stitched. Beautiful feel to it. In here we have hand teased horsehair. We have hand teased merino wool. I know what you're thinking, Simon, this sounds good already. It is. We've also got mohair, lambswool and cashmere. This mattress itself, with the 3,000 pocket springs, generally means that what you would do seasonally, you would turn it and rotate it. That way you get maximum lifespan out of the mattress. You've got 4 rows of hand stitching on the side, like I said before. You've got 2 tensions available on this mattress as well. You've got a firm and a medium. At the minute, this I'm sitting on here is the firm. It's beautiful when you sit on it, with all the coverings on the top of the springs. Amazing feel to it. It feels brilliant. You absorb into it, it's great. You've also got different sizes available on this mattress. It comes in 2 different styles. When I say styles, I mean sizes. You've got British sizes and European sizes. I'm currently sat on a super king size mattress, which is 180 centimetres wide. The base that it's sat on at the moment also has this headboard on the back here. This headboard's in mushroom, or what we like to call greige. Stands at 165 centimetres high. It's a high wingback headboard. It's available in all these different colour swatches here. There's loads to choose from. It's a fantastic feel. This is, if you ever want to try it, the creme de la creme, as I said before. Comes with a 15-year guarantee and it's handmade in the UK. This is the Relyon. It's called the Cranleigh. Come down to the shop and try it. For any further information on this bed, why not pop to the website www.bennettsbedrooms.com. The Relyon Cranleigh. Phenomenal.